What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today is the first video of quarantine, and you guys can tell, yeah, I'm pretty bored. Not much to do with this whole virus going on, but it's better to be inside and be safe than, be sorry. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing my new channel art, which if you haven't seen, it's right here. So I want to show you guys how I did it, and just because I don't know what else to film as of right now. I have the Cheap Tech series and I'm currently working on reviving that series, and I have like 4 items I can work on, so I'm good with that. So I'm gonna try to keep making as many videos as I can. I have a few more tutorials coming up, so those will be fun. But let's get into doing my channel art. So I am not going to be using Photoshop. I do have Photoshop. I pay for it, but I don't feel the need to use it for this. I do know how to do channel arts on it, but I prefer using this one because it's a lot easier and more simple for what I want to do. It's just going to take a lot less time, which is a lot better for you guys. And if you guys don't know what I'm using, I am currently going on Canva service that allows you to do thumbnails, or channel arts, anything social media related. Not just social media, you can make a poster, you can make a wallpaper, anything you really need, they have you covered. You can pay for a subscription for more stuff. So once you sign up, right now I'm gonna go back up all the way to the back. So once you're done, once you're done creating your account, as you can see, it'll load you right here, and there's posters, logos, videos, presentations, flyers, anything you really need. Like I said, they got you covered. But right now we're gonna just type in YouTube, and as you can see, they have the channel art right here, which I can do later, or which I'm gonna do right now. There's the YouTube icon, which is a picture. I don't really need that because I just have a photo of me. And then the thumbnails, which I do sometimes use here. So right here, it already, once you click on it, you look up YouTube channel art, and they'll have a bunch of displays right here, which is really good. Some of them are you have to pay, some of them you don't. Doesn't really matter. Like for me, I usually just go up here to the blank because it's easier for me to just get my ideas done. I already have it open over here, and so basically what I did was, if you go right here, it'll load you up in templates, but I went down here to elements, and right here under grids, what it does, it'll like put grids there for you so you can put your own photo in it. So I went looking around for a little while, and I found this one right here, and it originally looks like this. What I did was I put that one, and then all I did was crop it down to the appropriate size so that all the photos show up. Jocelyn, my girlfriend, I wanted to do sort of 2 photos on landscape on each end, and then 2 photos of her, and then 2 photos of me, and then 2 photos of each other in the middle, sort of showing how we came back into each other's life, if that makes sense, because we met in like middle school, and then we started talking for a while, but we came back, I came back, and then she came back, and so like we ended up together. So kind of felt like doing something like that, plus she's my inspiration. I went to right here, we go down to uploads, you click upload an image or video. You can do that right here. So I already have all my photos loaded, but I'm going to show you guys how to upload. So I'm just going to click on a random image. So right here is the thumbnail that I created for the 15-second vlog. I'm just going to click on that one, and then basically it'll start uploading right here by itself, and then boom, it's in the canvas. And even if like you decide that you don't want to use the photo, you can delete it, but if you decide that you want to use it later on, it stays in your Canva down upload, so you never have to re-upload a photo again, which is really cool. One of the side photos I wanted to use was this one right here, which is when I went to New York. For me, it was one of the best experiences of my life. So right away I just went and I moved it all the way to the very end of where I wanted it to go, and because it's a grid, right away. As soon as the photo goes into it, like it's already there. You don't have to like move it around or crop it. It's already cropped in for you. And then for her, I decided to do this one, the Chicago with the Nissan car. That's one of my favorite photos, but it's also one of the photos that hasn't done that well on my Instagram. And I'm gonna move this one over here to sort of the middle. And if you guys wanna know how I create that effect, wait for a future video. And then I also went with this one right here. I really like this photo. It's similar to that one, and I really like that one. It's one of my favorite ones. Recently taken in one of my vlogs, the blue and red. And then for me, I went with this one right here. I do self-portraits. I'm gonna be doing a video on how to do that later on. I keep plugging myself for some reason, but you know, it's cool. I also went with this one. This one actually I didn't take that one. This photo right here is Jocelyn. She took that one. She likes seeing photos of me with my camera, so she took that one. I thought it was pretty cool, so I'm gonna use that one. Photos of us, I went with this one right here. It's one of my favorite photos. It was her wearing like dress for a photo shoot, and it's right here where my desk is now. But yeah, back then I didn't have my desk, so I figured before we do that we should do a photo shoot, and it came out really good. I tried looking for another photo, but I couldn't find one that was really good about both of us, so I ended up going with this one right here, which is also from the blue and red photo shoot. Like all the photos are done, but I still want to add like a little bit of text. You can find a little texting right here, and they have a bunch of them already made. But what I like to do is go to elements, go all the way back, just double click on it, and add lines, because you're not gonna be able to see the text as well. It'll be hard to see the text if you like just go with that, like the text on the photos. It's not gonna show as well, so I want to add like a line so you can see what the words are saying. Now if you go up here to color, you can actually change it, and it shows you like in your photos some of the colors that are in it, so you can change it to that, which I really like. That's a new feature they added a while back. I think I'm gonna go with the white just so you can see the text better. Now for text, I really like to go with just the up here and then just sort of change it myself. Now if you see if it has a little crown right there, that means you can't use it because you have to pay for it. But I mean, this has some really good features over here. You can also upload your own fonts. Now there's some people that go with like a really fancy or like a really over the top text. I don't really like that, so I just went with this one right here called so yeah, I went with this one right here. It's called Canva. I think it's simple, but it's still a little bit, it's not too over the top, which is, you know, what I'm trying not to do. The reason that I left this little space down here is because you can also add like a bottom text, and so what I wanted my bottom text to say, I wanted sort of to say like what my channel's about. So photography, just want to move that right there, but I want to make it the same text as before. Now the cool thing about this one is that it shows like where the line is, so you can line it up perfectly. I still feel like this one's a bit too small, so I'm just gonna put it up to 72. So yeah, that's the simple part of it. I think I might still add, you know, like the little Instagram thing. I'm not really sure. I think I might do it. I might do it. I don't want it to be so in the photo where that you can't really, you know, see it so much. So I'm gonna put it right here at the top, right there. Or I could move it down here to this corner, and I think I'm gonna go with that. I think I'm gonna put it right here up top of this photo. I really like that position. You can still see it. You'll still be able to see it in my channel, and that's pretty cool. So basically that, and I like the way it looks. I should probably add that little Instagram symbol. So we're gonna go into Google right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to upload photos to it real quick, even though I did that already. So I put the photo right there, really small, but you can see that it says my Instagram and that it shows the Instagram logo, and that's how you upload and put a photo into it as well. But I think that's basically it. That's it for my channel art. I'm gonna download it and show you guys how it's gonna look. If you go over here to my channel, you see that I still have this one, Tech Arturo Photography. Like, I really like this one. I didn't like the color though, because I wanted my channel to be purple, and I didn't change it, and then I lost the template, so I was kind of stuck with it for like 2 years. Okay, so there we go. It worked. It looks perfect, just the way I wanted it to look. And as you can see, that was very simple. It didn't take very long. I am doing another tutorial like this I'm gonna be doing how to do a gaming Photoshop tutorial thumbnail. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, as well as the channel art if you're into gaming. I used to do gaming back when I started, so it was very easy for me to now learn how to do that in Photoshop, so I can definitely show you guys. Channel art, because Extreme Turtle, he is changing his name to Federico Gaming or something like that, so I have to change his channel all over. And it's not that big of a deal. I like doing that. I like doing these kind of things. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be showing how I did it. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed how I made my new channel art. In case you were curious, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.